In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your blog by using categories and tags. This is a crucial step in setting up your blog, as it not only helps you maintain order, but also enhances your reader's experience by making it easier for them to find the content they're most interested in. So, let's dive into this. First, let's talk about why categories and tags matter. Categories are like the table of contents for your blog. They provide a broad grouping for your posts, and they help readers quickly understand what topics you cover. Tags, on the other hand, are more like an index. They're specific descriptors for the content of each post, allowing for a more detailed and refined search. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your blog settings. This is usually found in your blog dashboard under Settings or a similar label. Look for the section titled Categories and Tags within these settings. As you enter this area, you're setting up the framework that will guide how your content is navigated. Now let's add a new category. You'll typically find an Add New Category button or link. Click it and think of a broad topic that encompasses several of your blog posts. For instance, if your blog is about food, you might have categories like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or desserts. Enter your chosen category name into the relevant field. You might also notice there are options to add a description or even make this a subcategory under another category, which can be useful for even more detailed organization. Once you've added your categories, it's time to move on to tags. Unlike categories, tags are more specific. Think of keywords and topics that often appear in your posts. To add tags, you'll find a similar option in the same area labeled Add Tag. Click this option and start entering relevant tags. For a food blog, tags might include vegan, quick recipes, gluten-free, or any keyword specific to a post topic. Now that you've added both categories and tags, the next step is to assign them to your blog posts. Go to your list of blog posts and pick one. Within the post editor, you should see options to assign categories and tags. Choose one or more categories that best fit the general theme of your post, and select or add any tags that match the content or key points of the post. This step not only helps with the organization but also improves your SEO, making your posts easier to find. Lastly, don't forget to save all your changes. Look for a Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the page, sometimes labeled as Update or Save Changes. This ensures that your hard work in organizing your blog is preserved. By using categories and tags wisely, you enhance your blog's navigability and improve the user experience, all while keeping your content strategically organized. Keep these tips in mind as you continue to grow and adapt your blog's content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.